Hello at welcome ulit sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And for today, we have something exciting. So basically, I took a food tour recently. Tapos natikman ko yung green chili sauce, yung sinaserve pag sa Thailand. I-repeat natin yon. I'll put it with bangus and then we'll serve it with taba ng tarangka na rice. Pero bago tayo mag-demo, kasi when I go around, may mga nagtatanong sa skin regimen. So yung secret ko lang is tier-tier. So, if you look at it, I buy small lang kasi ito yung size ng hand ko. So, I buy yung travel size kasi parang katulad ng attitude ko sa kitchen, di ba? Yung parang ayaw mo may na-expiren or natatapunan. So, as much as possible, I buy travel sizes when I buy cosmetics. So, for here, para mas mukhang mapayat yung face ko, I just buy a darker shade. So, it's actually the, what do you call that? The cushion. And then, this is the lighter shade. See? So, around here, I put the darker shade, tapos here sa middle, I put the lighter shade, tapos ginaganon ko lang siya. Minimix sponge ko lang siya. Tapos sinalagyan ko ng ganun na water. So, hindi ko alam kung nagme-make sense, pero baka i-bash ako ng mga totoong makeup artist, but that's how I put my makeup. Baka namang it works. So, yun. Tapos I spray it after and then I sponge it. So, yun lang. Sinishare ko lang kasi may mga nag-a-ask. So, this is what I buy. Nakita ko siya online. Una nakita ko, naging sa TikTok. Then, I checked it out in Lazada and in Shopee. So, I buy it from a site in Shopee. Okay, tapos na yung commercial break. So, ngayon, we should start cooking. So, sabi ko nga, yung star talaga niya, of course, there's like 2 recipes in this one episode. One is the, ayokong sabihin Thai chili sauce because it's not really chili and hindi siya maanghang. Parang when we hear chili, people suddenly think it's maanghang. So, parang I just want to call it the Thai green sauce. So, ito siya. Bumili ko nito, yung chili finger. Actually, crunchy siya, no? Lalo kung tanggalin mo yung seeds. Hindi na siya ganun kaalat. So, ito yung ginagamit natin normally sa sinigang. So, again, we're just introducing a new use for that. And then, a-add ko ng dayap. Ito yung dayap. So, medyo mas matamis yung amoy niya. Tsaka closer to the Thai limes yung kanyang taste profile. Meron tayong sugar. Yan lang siya. And of course, I will use the secret ingredient, may balabon patis from Chef Issy. Mag-order kayo sa kanya. And then, so of course, pag ginawa natin yung sauce na yun, isipin natin, what's its use, diba? Parang saan mo siya gagamitin. But it's perfect, kunyari, kumakain ka lang ng chicken wings na Filipino style, na salt, pepper, sawsawin mo doon. Pwede ka yung grilled na liempo, sawsawin mo doon. Kaya ngayon, ang gagawin ko is ipa-fry ko yung bangus. Of course, Sarangani bangus, di ba? So, thank you again to Chef Gigi. And then, crab fat rice. Kasi, pumunta ako ng Clark the other day, so dumaan ako ng Susie's, bumili ako nitong crab paste. So, I don't know, I think some of my students can still see it. So, yan. So, crab paste. So, we're just gonna saute it with some garlic. Actually, lots of garlic. And then, that's what we're gonna eat for lunch today. So, let's start. Okay, so for this one, you will need a blender, no? So, if you don't have a blender, I highly suggest yung mortar and pestle. Pestle, yung pangdikdik, yan. So, okay. So, here, I will just slice it. Yan. Para may konti naman na anghang. I will actually add the seeds, no? And then for real heat, I will add 1 seeding labuyo. Ngayon, kung ayaw nyo siyang sobrang anghanga, ang pwede nyo gawin is, cut nyo siya sa gitna. Correct. Ganyan. Kumuha kayo ng kutsarita at tanggalin lang siya. Yun. So, basically, just a tip, anything to deal with chili, the heat or yung nagpapaanghang, yung tinatawag lang the heat, is nanggagaling sa buto or sa seeds. Ate Lina, tama ba yan? Seeds in Tagalog is buto? Yes. Ang galing. Galing talaga ng teacher Lina. Ang weird, no? Seeds in Tagalog is buto. Bones is buto. Tapos seeds is also buto. Walang ibang term. Tama ba? Wala ba talaga ibang Tagalog na term yun? So, anyway, so I just made you a sample of one na tinanggalan ko ng seeds. But for the others, I will add it. No? Because I'd like to have some heat in it. Ang maganda sa sauce na to, pwede ka gumawa nito, itago mo sa jar. Pagkatapos, kikip mo lang siya dyan. Pwede siyang hindi kailangan i-ref. Kaya, yun ang kagandahan niya. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 2 tablespoons. Dagdagan pa natin ang dayap because we will put sugar. So I will just add 1. So basically, a tablespoon. Yeah. There you go. And then, of course, because it's sweet, may anghang, we want salty. There. So that's probably about 3 tablespoons. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then, let's go. Okay. We will start. So it's supposed to be really porous. Yun. Napaka-konti ng ingredients, but it's very, very flavorful. I swear. So, basically, ang ginagawa lang talaga natin siya is until mag-smoothen siya. Hindi ko alam kasi if your families or when you have dinner, mahilig kayo sa mga sauce. Personally, my family, masarsa kami. I mean, that's why we like North Sea Sinigang with calamansi. At tapos yun, we eat sinigang, may patis. Pagkatapos ito, may toyo. Parang practically everything we eat, kailangan ma-sauce. Kaya nga parang hindi rin ako purist when I cook steaks. Kasi, di ba yung totoong purist ng mahilig mag-steak, di ba salt and pepper lang? Ako hindi ako ganun kasi gusto ko may timpla talaga. Lagyan ko pa ng mustard, ng iba't iba. So medyo ma-sauce. So that's the reason why pag may natitikman akong masarap na sauce, if I eat in a restaurant or even in other houses, I try to dissect it. No? Iniisip ko kung anong laman. Tapos ginagaya ko sa house. Yun. Para lang may other choice. Ayan, medyo nagsusmoothen na siya. So, wag tayo matakot sa chili, and that's the beauty about chili, is the dayap, no, the sourness, and then the saltiness of the patis and the sugar actually balances it out. That's why parang I always try to say what the tastes are, kasi nga it will teach you pag kayo na nag-experiment sa bahay ninyo. Okay, for me, it lacks sweetness and a little bit more dayap. So, right now, the taste profile is salty and spiciness. And yung beauty ng sili na green na ito, very mild. Hindi siya yung parang inaatake ka na sa ilong mo. Hindi ganon. It's parang like coating lang your tongue. So I'm just gonna add a bit of sugar. That's the Filipino in me. I like the sweetness. Thou shall not judge because we are all the same. So I'm just gonna add 1 more teaspoon. Yeah. And then yung ating dayap. The reason why kinokopya ko to kasi hindi ko siya makita sa grocery. Yun. So kung na-notice nyo yung tunog niya, wala na masyadong kurog-kurog, diba? So ibig sabihin, wala na masyadong buo-buo. So kung wala kayong blender, it could work that you just chop it all up. Okay. So isi-save natin yan. Medyo dapat siya yung star ng episode na to, pero feeling ko yung crab rice din. Hang on lang tayo dyan. Gagawin na muna natin ating rice. Ito naman yung aking pagprito. So, pag nagpiprito ako ng bangus, linalagyan ko na siya ng konting cornstarch. The reason why is because I want the skin in the back to be very, very crunchy. I'm not saying faulty yung skin ng frozen bangus, but the reason why I'm saying that is because kung galing siya sa freezer, there's a lot of moisture in it. So, the reason why I want to put cornstarch is to absorb whatever extra moisture. So, na-tissue, na-pat down na namin to, natanggalan na. But in reality, hindi naman talaga lahat matatanggal yan. So, I will just cut it into 4. Yan. Yun. Para limited ang taba. Trivia! Or tatanong ko kayo, dahil hindi ko alam sagot, healthy ba ang taba ng bangus? Pero sarap siya. Hindi ko alam, sagutin nyo na lang dyan. Let it be an argument. I'm not sure if it is, but I just think, di ba nga para siyang may lipid profile, o triglycerides or something, I just feel that although it's not something you would eat to cure kung mataas yung cholesterol mo, I just feel it's a healthier option than the taba ng karne. So I'm not saying it's healthy, lesser of two evils. So I will just coat it lightly. You don't have to cover all surfaces, but just make sure it's covered. Again, our intention is not really to cover it. Our intention is to make sure whatever moisture na natitira from the freezer, maa-absorb na lang siya ng cornstarch. So when we fry it, there's that extra crunch. Kasi yun yung masarap talaga sa Thai green sauce. Ayoko sabihin Thai chili sauce, baka matakot yung mga tao. Hindi i-repeat. But really, it's good. Okay, let's go. So with this one, you have to heat lang the oil, no? This is spring pure coconut oil. It's actually cheaper than some that I see. Okay, so you just gotta make sure that the oil is really hot or else hindi siya magka-crunchy. Okay, why does it really need to be hot? Kasi may iba takot, baka mapaso, lalala. The reason why it needs to be hot is because galing siya sa freezer. So, kunyari mahina yung apoy, edi yung moisture ng galing sa freezer, sisingaw pa dun sa oil, edi parang boiling na yung effect niya, hindi na frying. So, we're after that crunch to go with the well-balanced sort of mildly spicy Thai green sauce and then the very creamy and rich taba ng talangka. Sa taba ng talangka naman, it's fairly easy. Kung gusto nyo medyo mag-garlic, damihan nyo ng garlic. Then we're gonna do some onions. And then the crab paste, pwedeng fresh kung gusto niyo. Pero ako kasi, I bought a bottle, so parang feeling ko it's nice to use. Kung gusto nyo mas mag-garlic, add garlic. Some actually make it into pasta. Okay, ngayon, di ko muna ito nilalagyan kasi pinag-isipan ko, lalagyan ko ba ng butter? That's so sinful. So bagay, kung magbigay ka ng cholesterol, damihan na natin, ano? Ano tingin nyo? Madamihan na natin. Sige, mag-treadmill na lang tayo after. Nalinis ko na yung aking ref. Lubos-lubosin na natin to. Butter. Actually, ito, cornstarch pa lang to. Wala pa tong timpla. Paglapag ko dyan, tsaka ko palang lalagyan ng salt and pepper. Now, for the crab paste. Bango. Love it. So, ito lang, garlic. Yan. So, para ka lang gumawa ng sinangag. And then, I'm just gonna add some onions. Okay. Again, garlic adds flavor. Onions enhances it. So, pag sinasabi natin enhance, para mas maging matapang pa yung lasa ng crab paste. So, ito, skin first. Yan. Yan. Okay, and then this is where I will add my salt. Tandaan nyo, yan. Wala tayong masyadong seasoning. Kasi very, very flavorful ang ating rice at ang ating sauce. Basically, ang role ng bangus ngayon is to marry the green sauce and the crab rice. Parang siya yung bridge. Kaya medyo kailangan hindi masyadong matapang yung panglasa niya. Kasi very flavorful na to eh. Sometimes, too much of something of flavorful, hindi na nagko-complement. So, kailangan mag-dive down. Para ka lang sa fashion. Kung printed yung top mo, pagkatapos printed yung bawah, para ka lang masakit sa mata, di ba? So, it's the same with food. So, iiwan lang natin yan to fry. And then this one, we're just waiting for the garlic to start cooking. So, the reason why I know the garlic is not cooking, besides the color changing, hindi pa siya nangangamoy. So, that's what I'm trying to wait. Pag nangamoy siya, then that's when I add my taba ng talangka and yung kanin kaninang umaga. And then ito, yung taba ng talangka na fried rice, pwedeng lagyan ng one soy, pwedeng lagyan ng green onions, pwedeng lagyan ng parsley. In our end, we're gonna put some parsley for this. No? And then this one, it's about 3 minutes, and then you flip it. No? So, hintayin mo lang. Let me fix our Instagrammable moment. So, ilalagay ko siya dyan. Dito ko lalagay yung rice. Tapos dito na lang yung sauce. Shake, shake, shake. There. Ganyan lang siya. Wala lang, maarte lang tayo. Let's go. It's very nice. Para talagang sinangag. I may have to add a little bit of oil. There. Para mas mag-fry. It's starting to curl up. So it means it's starting to cook some under, di ba? The fish is starting to curl up. Nagiging crispy na siya. That's the effect that we want. Ito, choose your cholesterol. 2 teaspoons, it's up to you. But, I'm probably gonna put about 3 tablespoons. Ano? Siguro 2 tablespoons lang yan. Yan. 2 tablespoons lang. Yan. So, ito galing sa ref. So, medyo naninigas pa. So, this is about 2 tablespoons. So, yummy. So, actually, this is our lunch food. And, you know, if you want to serve it for breakfast, by all means, do so, diba? At least, pag breakfast, meron pa tayong buong araw para i-workout itong crab or taba ng talangka rice, no? Yan. Hindi ko naman ginagawa siyang sobrang makolesterol. But, parang gusto mo yung shiny siya. So, that's why I'm adding butter. Yan. And I will now flip it. Yeah. Okay. Go. And we will just wait for our, yan. Okay. Kailangan natin i-pat dry ang oil para mas malakas. So probably 3 minutes on each side, but if the color is not yet there, extend it for like another minute or 2. So we want it to be a bit like golden, but expect it na hindi siya magiging golden talaga. Kasi nga, hindi naman flour ang ginamit ko cornstarch. So, maputi-puti talaga siya. But the only reason why I like cornstarch, it has less gluten than flour. Especially if you're trying to control your hormones, yung mga menopausal, you try to stay away from gluten. So, the reason why I used cornstarch, because that's better. Plus, cornstarch absorbs more sauce. So, para mas matikman ko yung green sauce na yun. So, look at that. So, yan yung siya. Ganun siya ka-crispy. That's what we're looking at. Don't expect it na it's going to be golden because, again, we are using cornstarch. So, talagang expect it na medyo maputi. And some parsley. Just to neutralize it. You can even add crunchy garlic. Pasko pa to, May na eh. Kailangan magamit na namin to. Okay. So, there you go. Napakalit ng star, no? Nandito lang siya sa maliit. Pero, I really just wanted to show you ibang uses pa ng sili natin na color green, no? Na hindi lang talaga sa sinigang or sa iba't ibang luto. But, in fact, we can even make it into a sauce. So, this sauce can last room temperature. Hindi mo kailangan i-ref. So, again, here is our Thai green sauce with fried bangus and crab fat rice. So, let's enjoy our lunch. So, perfect siya. Again, something lighter. Hindi pa rin karne. Perfect for summer. Pwede pa natin habulin ng mga bikini bodies bago matapos ang ating summer. So, here it is again. Another lunch or dinner idea. Thai green sauce with fried Sarangani bangus and crab fat rice. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O and see you for our next episode. Happy cooking!
Ang sarap.
Kakaiba, di ba?
Yes. Tsaka yung rice, ang sarap. Grabe. Tsaka yung sauce, bagay siya dun sa fish. Thank you, Mrs. O. Kusina ni Mrs. O.